Cut a hole in a $100,000 boat.
So what's today? April
5th or 6th. April 6th?
April 6th, 2020.
I think so. April 6th. Solid yet. Wow.
Okay, so the boat does not want to have a hole in
Giving
it.
it up easy.
She does not want a hole. No, no, don't put a hole in me.
Should come out. Guess we'll have to figure it out.
Okay.
Look how thick that is. Boats are made strong.
Have to be.
Now, the litmus test right here. Goes in this way. We'll have a power in our cockpit.
And there we are. Now all he has to do is mount it, wire it. Only took 2 years to get this far. Another 3 years we should have her made.
Uncle Wieners! From Uncle Wieners! Right there!
Okay. So here we have project finished. Can you see the voltage? Can't see it very good, but anyway, put it in place.
Got room for some add-on.
Plug the cord in.
It's hot.
And there we have it. So we have 8 switches. 1 12-volt plug-in, 2 USB plug-ins, 1 12-volt lighter, and a battery monitor. And that is all outside in the cockpit, so that we don't have to constantly find our way down into the cabin. So that we can plug in a phone. So that is tied into this main panel.